All right, this is great. Now we have Janet's distance and rate, and Rohan's distance and rate. We just need to find expressions for time for Janet and for Rohan. We know that distance equals rate times time. That was the problem we saw at the beginning of this lesson. And in fact, we saw that we could take this equation and manipulate it to have these other equations. So if we want to find the time, we can simply divide the distance by the rate. This is what we're going to use in our problem. Knowing this, I want you to use this information in the table to find an expression for Janet's time and for Rohan's time.